We're going to burn the fridge. Ha 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 ha. What are you doing with the fridge? Oh my God! What is going on with it? We burn it. Oh, I'm telling your mom and dad. Mom, dad, come here. Oh, they burned the fridge. Ronald and mousey, how do you burn the fridge? That's it, go in your room now. And no playing your Xbox either. Fine, we'll go. Thank you. You're welcome. You can go play now. Yay. I cannot believe Keven told us to go in our room, and we just already burned the fridge. Hey, I found something. What? Ha, a bat. We should beat up Keven's butt. Yeah, let's go. Whee! Keven, come here. What is it? Lift up your butt. Close your eyes. Okay. Uh-oh. Is that Keven? Yeah. Let's go get him. Help me, please. They're trying to spank my butt with a bat. Don't worry, Keven. We're coming. Ouch. Ha! What is behind your back, mousey? Oh, nothing? Tell me. Oh! They spanked me in my butt with a bat. Oh, it hurts bad. Call my mom and dad, and they'll take me home. I want to go home, please. They're just being rude. Okay, I'll call your mom and dad, alright? Okay. Ronald and mousey, how do you spank Keven's butt with a bat? That's it. Go to your rooms now. You're grounded in 1 year. Go inside and go to your room. And go to sleep right now and don't ever wake up. Ha! Ha! Throw this bat away. Yeah! Okay. Come on, Keven, let's go. Okay. Ow, it hurts. What happened, Keven? Ronald and mousey beat my butt with a bat. Ow, it hurts. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I just took them to bed and they will never wake up. I ground them in 1 year, so here you go. Take me home, please. I'm tired. I want a butt rest. Okay. Bye, Gator and Kitty. Bye, Keven. Hop in the car, Keven. Okay. Alright, bye. See ya. Alright, have a wonderful day. Alright, let's go. You'll be just fine, Keven. Now, I'll let you know when your butt feels better, okay? Okay. If it's still red, you need to eat medicine, okay? Okay. If you holler at me, okay? Okay. Alright. Good rest, Keven. See ya, Dad. Oh.